The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus just landed in TechInsights labs, showcasing the latest advancements in Huawei's flagship smartphone line. Powering this device is the HiSilicon Kirin 9020 processor, which brings incremental updates to HiSilicon's SoC portfolio. While early rumors pointed to the inclusion of the Kirin 9100 chipset fabbed using a 5nm process, the Mate 70 Pro Plus instead houses the Kirin 9020. Fabricated by SMIC on a 7nm process node, the Mate 70 Pro Plus represents a continuation of Huawei's Mate series, building on a lineage that began with the Mate 60 series in 2023. The Kirin 9020 processor is not a dramatic redesign, but rather an incremental improvement over its predecessor, the Kirin 9010. This approach suggests HiSilicon's focus on refining its existing designs while leveraging SMIC's capabilities in advanced semiconductor manufacturing. Initial analysis of the Kirin 9020 extracted from the Mate 70 Pro Plus reveals similar package markings to previous Kirin processors, such as the Kirin 9000S and Kirin 9010 found in the Mate 60 Pro. As TechInsights continues its analysis, more details about the Kirin 9020's architecture and performance will emerge, shedding light on the latest advancements in Huawei's semiconductor strategy. Dive deeper into the technology powering the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Explore our in-depth analysis of the HiSilicon Kirin 9020 package, die architecture, and process node identification. Get instant access to the full report by clicking the link in the description or visiting techinsights.com. Simply enter your email at the login screen to unlock this exclusive content available only on the TechInsights platform.